What's going on, folks? Will Stewart here from Will Stewart 365, and today we are back for another unboxing and first impressions. This one I got for a birthday gift from the family, and today we are going to be doing the first impressions of Jimmy Choo Urban Hero Gold Edition Eau de Parfum. So I know I have several of the Jimmy Choo Man line. I plan on picking up a lot of those in that line. The Urban line, the original Urban Hero, I think is not very well received. I haven't smelt that one. I've definitely seen it at rack stores and stuff like that. But today we are going to be cutting this one open, taking a look, checking out Urban Hero. So on the box presentation, you've got that gold kind of, it's textured Urban Hero here that's kind of in that graffiti-esque type of style. You got the concentration, the bottle size. This one here we've gotten a 50 ml. This one's I think a little bit harder to find. It may not be as hard to find anymore, but there for a while it was kind of hard to find in some places. This is the bottle style here. On the bottle you've got the logo there in gold. It is textured as well on the bottle. You can feel the logo Jimmy Choo. Cap, it's a plastic cap. Does click into place, snaps in pretty good. You definitely can pick this one up by the cap. The cap is metal, so I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the cap is a metal cap, so good quality cap on that. Let's grab a test strip and see if this one smashes the box. So pretty decent atomizer on there, very similar to I think the Jimmy Choo Man line. This is great for fall, perfect time of year. I think this one is it's sweet. It definitely has a spicy, sweet, with a little bit of a citrus there in the opening. I'm trying to think if there's anything that smells similar to it in my collection. I don't really have anything. It's maybe a little bit like Most Wanted or Wanted by Night. Sorry. It smells a little bit like Wanted by Night by Azzaro, or maybe it has a little bit of a root beer vibe too, so maybe a little bit more like Armani Code Absolute. But yeah, I mean, just on first impressions, especially for it being a Jimmy Choo Urban Hero, it's definitely got a youthful phrase to it. Maybe a little bit of a Jean Paul Gaultier ultra male vibe to it in some kinds of way, but I don't know. I'm gonna tell you what, first impressions, 7 out of 10. I think that this one is probably going to be one that you guys are going to want to check out. Let's take a look at the notes here and see if this is something that you guys will like. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the notes here. So let's pull this one up. So blood orange and pineapple coming in the top. Then you got lavender, tonka bean, and some sandalwood. So it's going to be kind of that same mandarin orange vibe that you would get from a lot of fall fragrances. But this one adds a pineapple, which kind of gives it a little bit of that. It's a sweeter pineapple, so it does give you a little bit of a bubblegummy vibe, but not a lot of bubblegummy. So that's why I say it kind of smells a little bit to me like Wanted by Night from Azzaro, but it also smells, I think, a little bit like a root beer-ish type of a vibe. So you're going to get that Armani Code Absolute vibe as well. Guys, I think you should check this one out. If you can find it on the cheap, if you can find it around 25, 30 bucks, I think this is going to be a great scent for the fall. Check it out. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe. We'll be back next time with another review. I'm out.